Welcome to the Computer Department of AISSMS College of Engineering. So, our next assignment is create an HTML page and apply an CSS to that HTML page. So, let's see how to create an registration page in an HTML file. So, as if we know that the skeleton of an HTML file, that is nothing but the HTML tag, then head tag, and next and the last tag is a body. So in that head tag we can write an title of your registration page. Next, in a body tag we can include the contents which we need to show on a HTML page. So here I have taken one div class, one form, and here in one div I have given the image source, which is an coe.jpg, which is the image which is put in a given folder. Next I have taken one another div. In that I have taken the table, which shows that the title of that page, that is nothing but the welcome to the registration page. Here I have given the size of that font, that is the H2. So as we know that the H1 is the very big size, in that the H2 tag, then H3, it is up to the H6. So I have taken the size for the font is H2. Next I taken the another table. I have aligned every table at the center of the page. Then in that the table format is like, in each table there should be a table row, that is nothing but the tr, and the table data. So table data is, we can say that it is a table column. So in each row there are two columns. One column I assigned to the name, and in another column I have given that the input text is nothing that the it is nothing but the text box. So everywhere I have given that table row is taken, that name value is taken, the password. Here I need to that the as if I know the name should be in a text format. So here I can write that the password should be in a password format. So here when we write the password, it will show you the stars. Next table row is class. Then next is a department, address, then email ID and phone number. Here we ends with the table, and next table we have taken that the for the buttons, that one button is the submit and the another button is a reset. Here we can take the input type button as well. So suppose for a variety I take here the button input type. Then now I need to apply that CSS. So first I need to write one CSS. So here I have written that CSS. This is a CSS. So this is the name of that CSS, that ext.css. Then the style which I need to apply this .con. Dot is used to apply that feature to the all over the class. Then there are one more is that hash. So for a particular id, if I need to apply that style, then we can use the hash, but I need to apply that feature or the properties to the whole class. That's why I have taken here the dot, and here you can give the any value. So I have written here the con. So for the whole class I need to apply the width should be the 400 pixel, height, the background color, the color, I will erase this color, then padding and margin. So the same has been given to the each and every the little bit only the width is, height is different for each and everything. Suppose I need to apply this for the whole page, if I need to apply for the image, so I given the same different value, and likewise. So we'll save it. So the name is ext.notepad. So here in a HTML page I need to apply that CSS. So how could I insert that CSS in my HTML page? So it is an external CSS, so that I need to give the source path to that CSS. So here I given the source path, so ext.css. So here I use the tag link and the href is equal to ext dot, that is the name of that my CSS, relation is a style sheet, and the ending tag. So how to apply those values of CSS to this HTML page? Here I inserted that CSS in my HTML page, but the value I need to apply. So in that div class, so here I given that con, that is the style I need to apply for my whole page. Then if I need to apply for a particular class, that is here I have given that main. Here I inserted con1 style. So likewise I applied the CSS styles here. Let's see what will be the output. So registration page, open with the browser. So this is my registration page. So here I decided one H2 font. So here I can write, see the password type, we have taken that password, that's why it is not showing you the text. Then class, department, address. So here I taken the, for the text bar I have taken the input type text, but the for address we have taken the text area. For the email and the phone number, and these are the buttons. As I have not given the part to the, or the action to the form, that's why it is not showing any. So here you can see that input type for the password, that is input type password, and for the address we have taken the text area, and we have given the size of that text area. So text is more than the one line, that's why I have taken the input type, that is the text area, row and the column. So this is our second assignment. Create an HTML page and apply CSS on that. Thank you so much.